So you've got your band inside out as you've sewed along the edges. So I'm going to show you a trick to turn the ties right side out. I have a crochet hook. You can also do this with just a kitchen skewer and turn it out normally, but I grab the tip Okay, so now you're wanting to add the pins or clips to attach it to the band. So first, you want to match up these points. We'll call these the raw points, and fold it in half so that those meet. And if you're using cotton lycra, sometimes it tends to roll, so you can just unroll it as you go. Okay, so that's about halfway. Next clip you're going to want is in the middle here. So you'll take the raw points and fold it in to the clip you just made. And mark that. Do that with the other side. To the point where the band turns into the tie, you're bringing that to the middle point that you just marked. Okay, so now you've got 3 clips. Okay. For the cap portion, you're dividing that into quarters. So easiest way to do that is to match up the side seams to find the middle of each panel. Okay, so you've got 4 clips on this one. If you're using a print that's not really directional, like this could go either way, you just need to pick a front. So I'm picking this. This is my front. This is the top panel, and I'm going to match up the middle of my band to the middle of my top panel. So you want the raw edges to meet, and just replace the clip or pin. Do that as well for the side panels. I'll show you. This is one of my side panels with the curved edge. Okay. And the other side panel. So now you've got 3 clips. You'll notice there's a little bit of a gap because the band is slightly smaller than the cap piece. Just so it, as you sew it, the band should stretch out a little bit. Then when you're done sewing, it will keep it snug on the head. Okay, so you've got one more clip on the back of the cap. This is where the points for the ties are going to meet. So you can overlap these slightly or space them out just a little bit. But so I'm bringing my point right next to the clip here and clipping like that. Bringing my other point. So mine in this example aren't going to quite overlap. I'm talking about the points there. They're not going to overlap, but you can if you don't want any little seam here exposed. And that's it. So you'll sew all along this edge, all the way around the hat.